Meole Brace railway station was a station in Meole Brace, Shropshire, England. The station was opened in 1866 and closed in 1933. References. Further reading. Mitchell, Vic. Smith, Keith, 1991. Branch line to Shrewsbury. Middleton Press. Fig. 105. ISBN 9780906520864. OCLC 26310498. Mitchell, Vic. Smith, Keith, 2008. Shrewsbury to Newtown. Middleton Press. Figs. 17-18. ISBN 9781906808291. OCLC 880765045.